So, what do you think of your
Shauna, you gonna put those on?
your slippers?
Hey, Shauna, look at me. Hi.
What do you think of your slippers?
I think you're gonna take a picture of him. She's videotaping, I hope you know.
Aaron, you have nice hair.
I have really messed
Hey,
up.
Shauna. Arthritis.
Can you say arthritis?
Arthritis.
That's the first thing we ever heard you say. Shut up.
Really?
We remember it.
Oh.
You were talking about how old you were, and you're like, arthritis. When I was there, when we first saw you, when we were sleeping, and we came out because we heard English accent.
Yeah, you did.
I remember that.
Can you have a really thick English accent?
You want me to talk in a really thick English accent? Why? No, really, why?
I don't know why.
Because you lost yours.
Yeah, you lost your.
I did not lose my accent.
You spent too much time in
If I
America
am-
and it's gone
If
forever.
if I'm drunk, or if I'm angry, or if I'm back in Liverpool, then this is what my accent sounds like.
Well, then why don't you tell her that all the time?
Because Americans go, what did you say, God.
You know you're on video, right?
What?
You know you're on video, right?
I know.
Say, I love
Don't
Jordan.
question me. What?
Say, I love Jordan in English.
In English? No, I was going to say it in Portuguese.
Where's that?
I hope you are being serious.
So, you want to get the worst part is my best friend Shannon.
Why are you coming out here?
She goes,
You're just kind of standing outside your door like...
why are like people in Spain? Aren't they like Greek or something? And we're like, what?
Why are you still filming me?
I don't know. You're fascinating.
Yeah, like
Fascinating.
really Greek
Yeah.
people. Like,
What do you think?
Spanish?
How's Rory?
And she's like, no, like
How to?
Spanish.
Rory.
They're not.
Rory.
They're like Greek people.
Rory.
Like, what?
How many messing? Rory is fine.
That's good.
Wooly.
She said it right. No, she's saying it right.
Wooly.
Rory.
I learned.
Wooly.
I learned.
She actually says it more like an English person.
My,
to be honest.
my friend's boyfriend's name is Rory.
Wow, you say it weird. How'd you say it?
Rory.
Rory.
Rory?
Rory.
Rory. I can't say it right.
Rory.
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 Say raw.
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 It's the most awkward name to say. Like every time I say him, I'm like, hey, Rory. Or
I would just call
Raw.
him Reese.
It is an awkward name to say. Thank you.
it's a really awkward name to say.
I think it's normal.
Aaron,